and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing, another unboxing video. I do have some other like thrifting videos planned. I'm headed up north for Thanksgiving, so I'm intending to get some like northern thrifting done while I'm up there. So today, yes, another unboxing video, and this is the Target Advent Calendar, the 12 Days of Beauty. I was at Target the other night and I was walking through and I saw two really cute advent calendars, this one and a sock one, which I don't know if I'm gonna do this before or after, but anyways, they'll both be up on the channel shortly. And I really just couldn't pass it up. So for the 12 Days of Beauty, it was 20 bucks. I think the tag on it, I ripped the paper off of it already, just to take a look at how it was built up inside. You can see it's just advent calendar sections. So I took the tag off of it, and I want to say that it says it's like a $65 value, and this was $19.99. It does have descriptions of everything that you get on the back of it. So there's pictures of everything and a description, and I purposely wanted to hold off and not read that because I just took a quick glance and it looked like it was some good shit in there. So I was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna do it. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. So day one is this long skinny thing right here. I like how it's got a little like hooky part that you can stick your finger into and then pull it out, and it also looks like each of these are individually put in some kind of plastic that's holding it in place. Come watch the video where Lara gets hit in the head with the beauty box like 18 times. So yeah, it also has like little plastic containers in here to keep all this stuff from floating around, which I really like. So let's see what we've got. First thing up is this ACH Essential Real Eye Cream for face. And this is concentrated eye cream for the whole face. So it's not eye cream, but it's eye cream. And concentrated eye cream that can be used on the whole face for youthful appearance and resilient skin. Formulation specially developed from Korean aesthetic skincare approach using our microsome technology and a proprietary vitamin and peptide complex. So this is a good size. So you get like a whole fluid ounce of it, which doesn't suck. Already, it's better than the Birchbox Advent Calendar. But look at, oh, look, that's a good size tube. Huh. Oh, that's great. Look at that. Let me see. It's got its little sealy thing on it. And it doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, it's just a nice little eye cream that apparently you can use on your whole face. So, all right. Okay. Good deal. So first one, already 700 times larger than day one eye cream that you got in the Birchbox Advent Calendar. Birchbox. Day two. So day two is up here. Pop this bad boy out and you get an awkward unboxing. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not gonna destroy this whole thing. Okay. So the next thing you get is this sexy mouth pucker. You can see that. Sexy mouth pucker. And it is a pinky, glittery lip gloss, probably. It is a lip plumping gloss. Sexy mother plucker. That's funny. So, let's see if I can. It's got like a weird half thing on it. It's strange. Super weird. So it's just a little regular footy thing, and just a really pale pink, you can't see it at all, lip gloss with a little bit of like glitter to it. All right. Next up, you've got day three. And in day three, oh, I like how this is wrapped to keep it from, you know, falling out everywhere. Box. Got it. So the next thing you have up here is this almond and avocado leave-in detangling conditioner, and it's from Design Essentials. I really like how they've actually like wrapped this up in some plastic to make sure that it doesn't spill out everywhere. because it's already a little bit open. Oh, it smells good. So this is a detangling and leave-in conditioner. Okay, perfect. I'm actually having the opposite problem recently. Like I switched shampoos and I feel that it's like too conditioning. Like my hair, it feels like it's like sticking on my hair. I don't know. Maybe it's just actually not dry as hell, which is different. I don't know how to deal with it. Maybe not. Day number 4. Day number 4, we've got some dry shampoo. Haha. So this is Hair Food Coconut Dry Shampoo, sulfate, paraben, and dye-free. And this is a nice big old can. I mean, honestly, like so far, all of these are really nice size products. You know, obviously like not full size, but definitely not just like a little taste, not like a little squirt of it. So, pretty impressed so far for $12. Excuse me, not $12, for $20. What day was I on? Oh, 2, what did I? 4. That was 4? Oh man. All right, keep going. Next up, we got day 5, which is up at the tippy top here. And day 5 is a Milani highly rated, looks like mascara. Highly rated mascara. Okay, probably in black, like they all are, but yeah, Milani highly rated mascara. Okay. Keeping it up. Number 6 is up at the top here. Let's see what we get. Oh, we got some deodorant. Oh. MVP deodorant? No, it's the body wash. It's the Native body wash. So this is really nice. So Native also makes a deodorant that is aluminum free. It's all sulfate free, paraben free, and all of that good stuff. I think they usually retail for like $10 at Target. I think I got a 3-pack on Amazon for $24 a couple of months ago. Oh, it smells good though. This is the coconut and vanilla body wash, and that's a nice good size. That's a good travel size body wash also. All right, good deal. Moving on, number 7. Oh, speak of the devil. Number 7, you get a little sample size of the Native coconut and vanilla deodorant. Again, this is this is a decent size sample too for this. I mean, this is probably like a $3 or $4 sample considering the whole regular size one is like $10. So I really like this. This is a nice size. Again, great for travel, for that. Cool. All right, next up, number 8. And really, like so far, this is a really nice mix of like, skincare products, and there's some makeup in here too, so nice. Next up, you've got the Pixie Glow Tonic, and it is an exfoliating tonic. Cool. So it says apply in the AM, PM as needed after cleansing with a cotton pad, avoiding the eye area. So little Pixie Glow Tonic. Almost done. At number 9, going for the big one. Number 9, I feel it's a face mask. And it is Hey Bella Gold Plumping. This is a peel-off mask, gold peel-off mask. For a plumping, luxurious treat. So that's cool. Cool little face mask here. Number 10. Number 10, we've got some Pantene Cheat Day Dry Shampoo Foam. Okay. I've never heard of a dry shampoo foam before. So it says, whip your hair back to life in just 60 seconds without washing. Shake well, rub a small bit into the roots, apply, and do the same thing. So this is cool. So we've got a nice Hair Food Coconut Dry Shampoo, and then we've got a Pantene Cheat Day Dry Shampoo Foam. Next up, number 11. And, okay. Oh. Well, to go with that, you've got Pantene Pro Mist Dry Conditioner Mist. So great way to have a great hair day, waterless collection. shake can, apply on dry hair, mid-length to ends, brush and comb through. Huh. So you get the Pantene Sheet Day Dry Shampoo Foam and the Dry Conditioner. Okay, I'm down for that. And then the last thing you get up here on day 12 is, oh, what is this? Some little packets. So you've got the Hydration and Recharge Overnight Cream, the Glow Reveal Moisturizer, and the Intense Hydration 24-Hour Moisturizer little packets. It says that these are 86%, 87%, and 88% naturally derived, and they're from Finland. So yeah, and some little sample packets. All in all, as far as advent calendars go, this one was so much better than the Birchbox one, which really kind of sucked donkey balls. But I mean, you got some good sized products in here. Nothing was leaking, nothing was all over the place. It was, you know, not half, but almost half the price of the Birchbox one, and you actually got some real size things in here, and things you actually want to use, not just a little taste. So all in all, this is a really great deal. If you have somebody in your family who is into beauty, or if you want to just try out something different, really for 20 bucks, this was a fantastic haul. So yeah, Target 12 Days of Beauty box. Big fan. Keep it up, Target. All right, that's all for me today. So if you like that video and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe button. I would be super grateful. And other than that, I hope you have a great start to your holiday season, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.